Hi there guys, Dream Money is back with another video. And today I'm going to show you to earn money by clicking on ads. You can also do more to make money on those sites. So if you're ready to get started, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe. Let's get into the video. 1. Neobucks. One of the best PTC sites is Neobucks, which has been around for a while. Anyone throughout the world may join, and they provide numerous languages. They provide many options for earning money by clicking advertising, including fixed advertisements, mini exposures, micro exposures, extended exposures, and standard exposures. Neobucks also offers a partnership program through which you may get money by referring users to the site. Additionally, they provide a membership program where you may hire affiliates and increase your click-through rates. In fact, if you were considering making this your job, you would profit by joining. Upgrade your free basic memberships, and you might earn as much as 2 cents per click. You select a membership package when you sign up for Neobucks. This affects the cost per click, the quantity of ads you see, and the caliber of the ads that are displayed. You may make around $0.015 each link clicked and ad viewed with the free standard Neobucks membership. Neobucks does not have a cap on how many adverts or links you may view, despite the fact that the beginning number is rather modest. You may upgrade your membership if you want to earn more. A golden membership costs $90 a year and entitles you to a little increase in click revenue. Even so, Neobucks has certain uses despite its low payment rate. To pay out, you simply need to earn $2. Neobucks does not employ customary cash-out services like PayPal, which is challenging. Instead, they utilize Skrill or Neteller, thus in order to make money, you must have an account with one of them. I would suggest waiting to use this strategy until you are comfortable using the platform and are certain it is the best course of action for you. On the initial cash-out, $2 is the minimum payout. For each subsequent cash-out, this sum will rise by $1 until it reaches $10. Your second minimum cash-out limit will thus be $3, followed by $4 and so on until $10. Another aspect is the kind and caliber of the adverts. There are no daily earnings caps or other restrictions on Neobucks. In a 24-hour period, only one person can earn money by clicking adverts on a single internet connection. There are other activities on the website, but only one may earn Neobucks by clicking advertising each day. 2. GetPaid. One of the best websites to earn money by clicking advertisements is GetPaid. It has been operational since 2005 and operates on a coin system for users who successfully accomplish particular activities. They include things like clicking advertising, completing forms, participating in online surveys, and even giving away a few random prizes. Payments from GetPaid are sent to your PayPal account. They have shortened the procedure as a pay-per-click website. In essence, you get a coin for each duty you finish. You can do anything, including completing surveys, entering giveaways, and winning competitions. It's convenient that you can pay out your money using PayPal rather than having to download an obscure program like Skrill. Along with the customary online chores like text transcription and, of course, clicking advertising to earn money, there are also paid films, games, and surveys. GetPaid accepts payments by WebMoney, Bitcoin, PayPal, and Amazon gift cards. Referring friends and climbing the levels, which give you extra money for each task you do, will help you earn more. They have a referral system, much like many other websites. You may often get between 20 and 30% of what your referrals make. Increase your level by recruiting others and staying active to be paid more. You may also participate in contests for a chance to win cash and join their vibrant online community. 3. GPT Planet. As of 2022, GPT Planet, a reputable PTC service, has over 833,630 users and had given out over 1.5 million to its users. You are welcome to join their platform wherever you reside. To view the most recent payments made, visit the site's Proof of Payments area. Additionally, the site has an affiliate network where you can refer new users to the service and earn money based on how successfully they utilize it. To start earning money online with GPT Planet, simply click the link to their website and join up for a free account. As the name implies, GPT Planet is a get-paid-to website that provides a ton of opportunities to earn some additional money. You may earn up to 1 cent every click with GPT Planet. I based my estimate on the payout advertised, thus to earn $10 with GPT Planet you would need to click 1,000 times. Once you have earned $1, you are able to withdraw your money. They transmit your money through Skrill, Neteller, RTM, Paia, and Bitcoin. You may get money by watching commercials, inviting new members, and finishing deals. 4. Offernation. Among the websites, there is still another incredible option for earning money by clicking on advertising. Just for signing up, you earn 25 cents, and after that, you may start taking surveys or working on other paid projects. Since the website collaborates with several different survey providers, surveys are generally always available. They have a web page solely dedicated to prove they genuinely pay their subscribers, unlike other platforms. This website operates using the get-paid-to-business model. In other words, its users would be compensated for carrying out particular tasks like clicking advertisements and completing forms. The website provides both free and paid offers, a referral program, and some paid possibilities to click on adverts and their sponsors' advertisements. Once you have met the payment barrier, you can choose to receive your money using PayPal, Skrill, Bitcoin, or Amazon payments. It also provides additional simple ways to make money online. You may make money, for instance, through referrals and paid-to-click advertisements. Once you have the $2 minimum required, you may cash out your minimum. You may encourage businesses to enhance their goods and services by leaving frank evaluations. You may withdraw your earnings from these surveys using PayPal, Bitcoin Explorer, Skrill, Tango gift cards, and Amazon gift cards. Each survey pays between 80 cents and $5. Offernation has paid out more than $1 million to its members, which is a fascinating fact. It's unquestionably something you ought to research. Offering a consistent stream of survey offers and other simple chores to make money by playing games, seeing advertising, and clicking links, Offernation is a solid GPT site. 5. CoEmpire. By seeing adverts or taking offers, you may earn Bitcoin on the free rewards site CoEmpire. It has a 4.4 rating on Trustpilot, which is quite good. The greatest PTC platform for earning Bitcoin is this one. Additionally, they offer excellent customer service, which is very important if you ever need assistance. Since there are no limits on any nation, anyone from anywhere in the globe is allowed to join them. Accepting their terms of service and privacy policy is the sole requirement. View the table for more information on CoEmpire's withdrawal criteria. 6. Invisibly. The way you can generate money online is being reimagined by Invisibly. One of today's most precious commodities is data. The plain fact is that big tech is gathering your data behind the scenes while you engage with the internet. Their objective is to grow sales and make a profit by using your data to learn more about you and tailor your feed. While big tech profits, customers are left out and do not partake in the money made thanks to the personal information they gave. Therefore, we are altering it. To make up for what big tech owes you for the data you produce and share, Invisibly is here. Giving you a portion of the transactions that take on behind the scenes is essential to us. These days, the most precious commodities are your attention and data. You receive points for every engagement with your Invisibly stream, and by curating it, you may accumulate up to 20 points every day. When you achieve 500 points, they make it simple to pay out. Each 100 points may be redeemed for $1. To earn more points, you may also respond to survey questions and use brand offers. It's so much more than just a feed that big tech has carefully chosen to aim at you. The main goals of Invisibly are to provide you power and a share of your just compensation. They make it simple to interact, share, and, most importantly, earn money with Invisibly. 7. Scarlet clicks. Another excellent choice for a simple method to make money online is Scarlet clicks. They offer a $2 minimum payment, much like Neobucks. They fortunately provide a greater variety of payment services. Anything from Skrill, Payeer, or even Bitcoin may be used. However, it might take up to 7 business days for you to receive your money. Through Scarlet clicks, there are several methods to make money. They promise to pay you for filling online forms, clicking links to advertisements, and even introducing friends. Per click, you might make about 1 cent. Additionally, you might get up to 100% of what your referral makes. You need to choose a membership package before you can start making money with them. The amount you may remove each time depends on the plan you select. You can withdraw about $5 each withdrawal under the usual free plan. However, depending on the higher plans you choose, you may extract anywhere from $10 to $50. Overall, the payout isn't bad given that they have given their 77,000 members nearly $2 million. The platform provided by the service allows you to see every change you've made in detail, and help is also available. 8. FamilyClicks. FamilyClicks is a pay-per-click website that strives to include the entire family. It stands out since it enables numerous users to sign up under a single account. This is not permitted by many PTC websites since they forbid numerous users from joining up and using the same account to work. The straightforward explanation is that you may dramatically increase your income and essentially game the system. But with FamilyClicks, anybody can sign up and start making money by clicking links, watching advertising, or playing games. When you hit $2, you may withdraw using Payeer, Neteller, or Bitcoin. They give up to 2 cents each click. It takes a lot of clicks to earn money on PTC sites, like the most of them, but it's an excellent alternative for occasional use. Additionally, using the offer wall allows you to earn up to $10 every referral upgrade and up to 10 times more than you would through advertisements. Ads can be clicked on once every 24 hours, then at midnight, they reset so you can click again the following day. There are certain enhancements available to assist you cash out more money more regularly, however you can only withdraw up to $2 every week. You may use the following methods to profit from this platform: paid advertisements, bonus games, paid offers, and paid to sign up offers. Playing the game ClickSquid Clone, you may earn 5 cents that's added right to your account. Competitions for referrals, win up to 25 cents for each live referral. Additionally, FamilyClicks directs you to sponsored advertisements on other websites. If you join up directly with such websites, you can make extra money. In conclusion, FamilyClicks and other PTC websites have a lot in common. The good news is that there will always be links to click on, even though it does take a lot of clicking to truly get money. But now, if you're not really a fan of any of these methods and you want to check out my #1 recommendation to make money online, you can click the first link in the description and get started today. Thanks for watching.